Are you planning to update your kitchen or bathroom with a new faucet? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. If you've walked the aisles of a home center recently, you know there are tons of choices for faucets on the market today. And many people wonder why two different models that appear to look alike can have such a very different price tag. Well, the old adage, you get what you pay for, is never truer than when you're shopping for faucets. No matter what style you're looking for, I advise homeowners to always choose faucets with valve bodies made of brass rather than plastic. Making that choice will increase the overall durability of the faucet, and it never hurts to buy a recognized brand name with an extensive warranty. I also suggest buying washerless faucets which have one-piece cartridges. That eliminates the most likely cause of leaks and reduces maintenance chores down the road. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. From patio to paradise, enter our Backyard Paradise contest through April 14th to win $10,000 in paved stone materials and labor, giving you the yard of your dreams. Go to todayshomeowner.com/contest and tell us why you need a Backyard Paradise makeover.